Today I'm going to show you the installation of MSI using group policy. First, let's download a MSI package in this link. So as you can see the Firefox. After the download, let's go to our virtual machine. So while running the Windows Server 2016, let's install the VMware tools so we can share folders from our local storage to the virtual machine. Then let's create a folder. Let's call it MSI. So now we can share the Firefox MSI package. Next, properties. Then let's modify the sharing. So we have to change the name of the location and add a $sign. Then click OK. Let's copy the address because we will use it later. In the local server, so on the group policy management, just click our domain, then the domain bulso.com. So let's add a new GPO. Then let's edit that. Going to software settings. Then add the package. We will add the Firefox MSI package. Click advanced. Then uninstall. Click the uninstall from the deployment. Click OK. Now we're all set. Going to the domain, then let's link the Firefox. Click OK. Now everything was settled. We have to restart the system. As you can see, the Firefox was being installed. Next, we have to open the command prompt and let's type gp update force command and wait for the policy to be updated.